Okay, we're going to talk about the mind-body connection still. This is our series. So this time we're going to talk about headaches. And headaches often stem from self-criticism, fear, and the pressure to meet high expectations, particularly regarding intelligence and performance. When we constantly belittle ourselves and strive to understand everything, we accumulate mental tension and fear judgment from others. The pain in the forehead area may signify the need to ease mental pressure and allow ourselves to be authentic without striving to meet others' expectations. It's a message to connect with our true selves and let go of the need to conform to external standards. Now let's talk migraines. Migraines can be linked to a dislike of feeling driven and resisting the natural flow of life. Sexual fears and the fear of being ahead or leading may also contribute to migraines. The intensity of migraines, especially when it feels like the head is going to burst, indicates a buildup of internal pressure and a disconnection from one's authentic self. The message is to release the fear of judgment, stop overthinking, and embrace who we truly are in the present moment without trying to please everyone else. In essence, both headaches and migraines serve as messages from our bodies to let go of self-criticism, fear, and the need for external validation. By embracing our authenticity, releasing mental pressure, and connecting with our true selves, we can alleviate these symptoms and move towards greater inner harmony and well-being. Until the next one, bye for now. Be well.